really start to grow in my faith probably just since I got to college. I don't know, I saw my friends and the way they were living their lives, and I just wanted that because I wasn't as happy just living life. I felt empty. I needed something else, and I found it. I'm loud. I like doing fun stuff. I like showing people that being a Christian doesn't mean you have to sit there and just read constantly, and there's so much more to it, that there's fun and there's like a lot to laugh about, lots of friends to make. My favorite part is when it's kind of over and everybody's like, wow, I'm really changed, and I just hope that they change in a way similar to the way that I changed, because Jesus, think of all that he did for us, and just to know that I'm doing something for him and I'm changing the world in my own way.